Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Recently, I figured out that everybody's talking about UX design, but do they really know about UX design? Because UX design is a very big term, okay, and usability is one of the part of that, okay. And I came across that whenever there are thousands of designers who are designing, but they really don't know about what is usability in their design. Their design is just amazing. I just my heart is falling for them. But at the end, if you are not able to convert a user into a customer, okay, a member or anything like that, your design is not that good. I feel, okay. For example, you are making a real estate website or a food company website, okay. In real estate, they don't like they focus on the local areas, okay. They have the many things to consider, but one of them is local areas, okay. Do you have that local vibe, okay? That is it. Do you have that local feel? That do you have that proper buttons over there? Do you have that content that can rank on Google, okay? That all that, okay. Do you have that that UX writing part, okay? That writing, do you have that writing that convert user? Okay, this is a big thing, okay. So today I found that there are many websites actually, but I found these websites which are just amazing in UX design, okay, which will help you in order to understand about user friendly, okay, or sorry, usability of a website, of a product, or if you're designing any product, or you are just starting out with your career in UX design. These website will help you in order to improve your UX design, and it will also help you in order to become a great UX designer. And these website helped me, so I think that these website will help you a lot, okay. So without wasting time, let's go to computer screen and watch. Hey everyone, we are back on our computer screen and we can see there's a website called UX Design or learnux.io. Okay, I will provide you all the links in the description below so that you can check out. Okay, and this website, you can see this is mainly based on the courses. Okay, they teach you many things. Okay, the career in UX, what are the usability that which they have, like you need to learn about, and the more thing like user testing, screen, and all. Okay, you should definitely check out this website. Let's go to another website called UX Planet. Okay, in this is the mainly based on article website. Okay, there are thousands of article about UX design, how you improve, and how all that stuff. Okay, so you can must check out this link. Like all the links are in description. Another website is for the future learn.com. Okay, there's a course about UX design. Okay, you should definitely check out this. I think this is the course about the videos and all, and this is free also, so you should definitely check out this. Yeah, and the last one is the last, okay, for now. The design, hackdesigns.org, and they have multiple lessons about UX design, the usability, the fundamentals, how do you start researching, all that stuff that will help you a lot in order to become a good UX designer. Okay, I hope you like this video. Okay, this is the end of this video, and I will come up with another video about UX, mainly about users research or anything else that can help you guys. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.